false ceiling cost and its details. I will tell you about the current cost of POP false ceiling and PVC false ceiling and also its pros and cons in detail so that you could choose easily which false ceiling is best for your house. Life of POP false ceiling is about 20 to 25 years. Life of PVC false ceiling is about 10 to 15 years. The cost of POP false ceiling is more when compared to PVC false ceiling. The cost of PVC false ceiling is less. Now let's see the cost details. The cost of POP false ceiling is about rupees 20,000 to 25,000. This is for normal POP ceiling design cost. The cost of PVC false ceiling is about rupees 10,000 to 15,000. This is for normal PVC ceiling design cost. Now let's see the square feet rate for POP false ceiling. Good design POP cost approximately around rupees 100 to 130 per square feet for without down ceiling, and the lighting charges are extra. And for PVC false ceiling, it costs around approximately rupees 60 to 80 per square feet. PVC wall cladding rate. The amount is approximately rupees 40 to 60 per square feet. Here also lighting charges extra. These rates vary from city to city and also it depends on types of materials. Labor required. For POP false ceiling, skilled labor is mandatory. But for PVC false ceiling, skilled labor is optional. Designs and customization. N number of customizations and designs are available for POP false ceiling. But for PVC false ceiling, design options are limited. Water resistant. POP false ceiling is not water resistant, but PVC false ceiling is 100% waterproof. Weight. The weight of POP false ceiling and PVC false ceiling is less. Joint visibility. Joints are not visible in POP false ceiling, but the joints are clearly visible in PVC false ceiling. Color change option. It is paintable, so we can choose any color in POP false ceiling. But we can't change color of PVC false ceiling till the replacement. Manufacturing. No harmful gases are released during the manufacturing process of POP false ceiling. But here, lots of chemicals are used in the manufacturing of PVC planks so that they release harmful toxic acid gases. Repair. POP false ceiling, here the repair is very easy. But here, the repair is not easy. Smell. POP false ceiling is odorless. But in PVC false ceiling, you can always feel the plastic smell. Wastage. Here more wastage. Here in case of PVC false ceiling, only less wastage. Installation. Both POP false ceiling and PVC false ceiling are easy to install. Durability. Both POP false ceiling and PVC false ceiling are durable. Termite resistant. Both POP false ceiling and PVC false ceiling are termite resistant. Thermal insulation. POP false ceiling is a good heat insulator, but PVC is not a good heat insulator. Cleanliness. Repainting is required for POP false ceiling. Wet clean can be done in case of PVC false ceiling. These are all about false ceiling cost and its details. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you want this false ceiling cost and its details in PDF form, kindly check the description box given below. If you like this video, kindly do subscribe Civil Engineering Shylus updates. Thank you.